Aliyekuwa mkubwa wa kitengo cha upelelezi cha DCI nchini Kenya katika serikali ya Rais mstaafu Uhuru Kenyatta, George Kinoti. Hapo juzi mwanawe Kinoti ambaye anatambulikana kama Anthony Mwenda alipata kuhitimu na kujiunga na majaji wa nchini Kenya, ama niseme mawakili wa nchini Kenya, baada ya yeye kuhitimu mafunzo yake ya uwakili katika chuo kikuu hapa jijini Nairobi. Anthony Mwenda Kinoti, son of former Directorate of Criminal Investigation DCI boss George Kinoti, is now an advocate of the High Court. Tunamtambua Kinoti kwa mengi aliyofanya katika serikali ya Uhuru Kenyatta kwa kuweza kukabiliana na mambo ambayo yalikuwa yanatishia usalama wa Kenya kwa jumla na nchi ya Jamhuri ya Kenya kwa jumla. Anthony Mwenda is among the 56 lawyers who were admitted to the advocates of the High Court of Kenya bar on Thursday, November 23rd. It was a special moment when Chief Justice Martha Koome, who read the list of the lawyers who had passed the Kenya School of Law postgraduate diploma, specially recognized Anthony. And he said, Martha Koome said this: "I recognize Kinoti Anthony Mwenda, the son of our former colleague, former DCI boss George Kinoti." The Chief Justice made a special announcement. Koome congratulated and appreciated the former DCI boss for educating his son and adding a professional to the legal space. "Thank you very much for bringing up a young advocate in the profession," Koome stated during the event attended by the family of the former head of DCI. Meru politician Mike Makarina was full of praise for Anthony, saying that his success could only be attributed to God as a reward for his and his father's hard work and heart for the dispute that he has done. According to the politician, Koome's recognition of Anthony out of the 561 lawyers that were added to the role of advocate of the High Court was going to sign that he was with the family. I'm quoting him. Kinoti resigned as the DCI. Quoting Makarina, he says it was moving to hear the Chief Justice mention Kinoti's son. Truly, children's success highlights families to be seen by all. Kinoti is resigned as the DCI, the General of DCI, as the Director General of DCI in September, just after President William Ruto took over power. Ruto acknowledged his resignation when former Inspector General of Police Hilary Mutyambai went on terminal leave, citing ill health. Ni kati ya mambo ambayo yamekuwa yakitredi kwenye mitandao ya kijamii, na nikaona ni vema nipate kukufahamisha kwa sasa. Hii ni FM Show, usibanduke kabla ya kusubscribe.